everybody. So I made some deviled eggs, but I did the whole trend of the egg flights. So I saw somebody who made the deviled eggs with the bacon BLT deviled eggs. So I wanted to try that, and then I was like, oh, well, let me make like a little, I guess, Spanish Mexican style with some avocado, cilantro, red onion, and taco seasoning. And then this is more on my take of the avocado toast. So it's got avocado, a little bit of tomato, and the everything but the bagel seasoning. And then this one's just lettuce, tomato, and bacon for BLT. Obviously there's mayonnaise in there, so
Nice.
let's try them. Ooh,
try it.
See. That's so good. So this one is the I don't know, what would you call this one? But it's like guacamole, but I didn't put any lime in it because I didn't know how that would be with the eggs. But so I did avocado, red onion, and some taco seasoning. That's good. That's good mix. Okay, so now this one is the avocado toast version. So it's just a little avocado, tomato, and the everything bagel seasoning. Probably needs a little bit more, but we'll try it. Yeah, that's good.